Hi, yeah, it's me filming my documentary Living as an Educated Bum in the Commonwealth of Dominica. I'm Silas Ivan Charles and I have a bachelor's degree in environmental education. Look at this. This is something good. They planted something good that they did. They planted trees all along the beach. Trees all along the beach. Trees all along the beach. This is good. Right. I'd just like to take this opportunity to talk about environmental journalism and its importance here in Dominica. Yes. Well, I can tell you what environmental journalism is. In a nutshell, it brings you environmental information in the form of articles, videos, etc. You could look up what environmental journalism is. Right. The importance of its mention here is to the establishment of environmental policies, establishing a system, of sharing information, which could be particularly important to stakeholders who are interested in doing environmental projects here in Dominica. I mean, the outside world will always prompt us to do environmental projects, be it geothermal power plant, you know, etc. Simple projects. Right. Now, environmental journalism will help the government with its projects in seeing that it will bring information to the public, right, in a good communicable manner. Yeah. So that the people will understand the policies that you are going to place. Yeah. Yes. Right. So any government will be concerned with environmental journalism. Yeah, especially in the Ministry of Environment. You want people to know, to understand things before you run and put in policies, right? So let's say, for instance, a simple example, you see these trees that they've planted here on the beach, the trees that they've planted on the beach, right? You could make a video, write an article, yeah, put it in the newspaper to explain the importance of planting these trees before you put them, right? The trees there, their roots could prevent erosion caused by rising sea levels. When the sea level rises, right, the roots of the trees will hold the sand and it will conserve the beach. It will basically protect the beach from degradation that comes from rising sea levels. Right. So when you do come to plant the trees on the beach, people will understand. People will understand what you're doing. Right. This is the key role that environmental journalism plays, right? But it's something that needs to be developed here in Dominica. Something that needs to be developed here in Dominica. Yeah. Right. Right. So this is just something I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah. This will definitely help the government. Environmental journalism. Yeah, and you need people who could really communicate and explain things for people, because the environment is very complex. It's very complex. It's very complex. And environmental journalism also deals with a wide range of topics, from water quality, air quality, to land pollution, to waste management. It also deals with social sciences. It also deals with social sciences and the humanities as well. Yes. And actually, when we studied over there in the University of Quintana Roo, we took a course called Seminar of Regional Problems. Yes. So, as an environmentalist, people always wonder why I always keep on talking about social issues as well. Yeah, because there is interconnectivity between, economics, society, and the environment. So that's why, as an environmentalist, you talk about social issues. Yeah, social issues that I've been talking about in my documentary. Yeah, and environmental journalism also has to do with personal stories as well. Okay, so don't be alarmed. This is something new. This is something new, that anybody could do. You pick up your camera and you record something and you bring it, you bring it to environmental awareness. you know, you develop environmental awareness, you know, you put it up on your Facebook and so on, and yeah, you could use that, whatever. Yeah, this is what I just wanted to share with you. Yeah.